Hello everyone, this is Sam from Datek Studios. In this video, I want to introduce Swift Loop options in 3ds Max. Sometimes, for example, I create a cylinder and collapse it to edit poly, edges, and scale something like that. And you need smooth transitions here. In traditional method, you have to select them all and connect them and start scaling again and again. For example, connecting these edges and scaling to match your smoothness result on surface. But on edit poly mode, while you enabled, for example, edge mode for selection, in modeling edit we have Swift Loop. If I click and start clicking, it is simply just connecting together. But if you hold on the shift key from your keyboard and now click, not only snap to the middle for connection, also made it smooth. You see, hold on the shift key and click. It is very simple and very useful option. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.